Hey, it's been a little bit. I haven't posted in 3 weeks for some pretty good reasons that I won't get into. Either way though, we're back and I got a pretty special video for you guys today that I've been waiting to do for a really long time. Today, I'm going to be building my $350 custom keyboard. If you do enjoy today's video, let me know by liking it. And if you enjoy my other content as well, make sure you subscribe. Without talking too much more and getting you guys all bored, let's get into the video. Getting right into things, here's my board. For my PCB, I went with the Drop Corinna. My switches are creamy pinks. I went with some Japanese style keycaps and an Asceni white coil cable. The construction of the board was done live on Twitch, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description. With that said, I'll let you guys get to it. Enjoy. If you guys want to say hi YouTube, make sure you guys do that now. Yeah, we got quite a few steps to go through today. I'm pretty excited for this thing. It's gonna be sick. I may or may not have already unboxed this. Stabilizers, this beauty board. I'm excited. Yo! Brickster with the rate of 75. Yo! Character with the 5 gifted, bro. Nah, this is gonna be so sick. Bro! Magic balls with 1,000 bits, bro. I'm on YouTube. Thank you so much, bro.
Go, Rocky, go.
Finished building all the stabilizers, I realized something. I was missing a key piece, which was the plate. It didn't come with the Corinna kit like I thought it would, so I had to wait another day and order it extra. So now we're on to day 2. All right, chat, day 2, boys. Got the switch plate, feeling pretty good, I may or may not have already done the stabs. It's fine though. Got a new mouse pad too. That's pretty cool. That, another addition. If we need a little bit of light, voila. I'm gonna need a little bit of help from you guys. DRG kind of dumb. It's okay though. This looks mad confusing. Trust. I got it, chat. I got it. There's gonna be a ooh, nah, the glow.
That's pretty bright.
Chat, nah. I can't wait for this thing. But not everything always goes to plan. I did it upside down. I gotta take all of them out now. I'm supposed to take them out now. Oh, it's really easy. Never mind.
Just pull up on that and it'll pull out.
Wait, I don't have those. These don't have them. Gosh, bro, just get out. Nah, for real, bro. Big boof RG, dude. Push little tabs with the Luke flu knife. This thing? This is a knife. I have a knife. I'm gonna use a knife.
Be careful.
KRG is like good, but like key RG is like, you know what I'm saying? Look at this tab. There's a little tab that you can push in and it will pop out. Little tab. Yeah, I don't have tabs.
Much later.
We're good. Yeah, I don't know why you're not going.
Go, Rocky, go.
Chat, it is done. It is done.
He's like, yeah, so I just can't use the whole middle row. I don't think he knows that it's not gonna work.
After more and more hours of working, I finally was able to make all the keys work. I think over half the keys weren't working because the pins were bent and some were broken off. I was clearly not as careful as I should have been, so I ended up having to order even more switches later. We're now on to pretty much day 3, and I didn't do this one live because I felt bad doing it over and over and over again, but I did end up finishing it, and here's the final product. Although I did mainly build this keyboard for aesthetics, I also did it for the sound. So here's a sound test of stock Duroc Linear Creamy Pinks. Overall, definitely had a few kinks. I mean, I fully broke the stabs. I had to completely reorder them. Now it works great though. Love how it looks and love how it sounds. I know a lot of creators, once they get into keyboard content, they never really get out. So let me know if you guys want more content like this. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by liking it. It also supports me a ton. And if you like my other content as well, make sure you subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.